gonna make it stop, boy, try me. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. How about the ride? 착한 거 말은 아니, don't worry.
What did I say? These girls are just running on the beat.
What's up, guys?
What it is, SNOILLIBS, I'm back again with another
reaction video.
Yes, sir. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please do yourself a favor and subscribe, because you're not gonna be disappointed.
Yes, so without wasting your time, guys, reacting to BADVILLAIN Harry Kane.
Yes, sir. So without wasting your time,
Let's get into it.
We've never reacted to this video, this group before, so
it's actually our first time.
Yeah.
So without wasting your time, let's get to it.
The beat just started chaotic.
It's just seeing people doing this, bro.
Damn, this
Harry Kane, bro. Harry Kane indeed. When the
Hey, yeah. 말보단 행동, 시작하게 내고 I take off.
Guys, please let us know if it's a girl band or it's a solo artist, because I see one girl and okay, well, let's get into like dancers. No.
rappers, 잔쟁이들을 쓸어버린 echo. Crown taker, coming out the underground, say the
It could be just her. No,
I think
it's a different person.
Yeah.
Okay. She has black hair. This one just got like ginger hair.
Yeah.
This is a different person again. Look like this. It's giving that sass,
Got him back, bro. Got him back.
It's running back.
Okay,
give it up, give it up, I love that. Wait, you hear? Oh, fire, fire.
Run it back.
I'm on a fire, wonder where the bar was stomping. Don't let me go, got a open. When I'm on a top, let's start it out. You think I'm stupid. You never killed a cell phone. Can I name just a cell phone? You don't know I could trust them.
Is this a different one? Is this a different one? It's giving me XG vibes. Like,
it's going that. It's giving that
okay,
nasty.
This is the Stray Kids of the female version of Stray Kids.
What?
Damn, this is chaotic.
Give me that. Give me that.
This is Harry Kane for sure. Let's go, run it.
My flag waved like ocean. My plans jumping sunshine.
What did she say? What? Bad like ocean something. My flag waving like ocean. Oh, my flag waving like ocean. My plans looking like sunshine. Okay, damn. Okay, we hear you.
Like ocean. My plans jumping sunshine. My back up, tingin 녀석들은 못 올라와 우리 상상. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different, like alien. I'm moving and not tonight.
The crazy one. What? Looking like an alien.
Yeah, bro. Damn.
When I show my chaos flow, is keeping it steady. That's how I roll. Damn, girl. Damn, those were chaos flows for sure.
Bro.
Wow. How many are there?
Crazy one, you know that I'm different, like alien. I'm moving and not tonight. I'm aliy어서 적당히 나도 은근해리야. Chopping all the beats, who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기. 너는 dynamite up and out.
Damn.
It's giving
adrenaline, bro.
It's giving the vibe we're looking for. It's definitely giving the vibe we're looking for.
Really
love that. Oh, shout out to you girls. It's Harry Kane. Going on and on and on and on. We're just running on that beat. Run.
I'm the screen, on the scene, on the screen.
They did that, bro. On a piano dance.
Run it back, bro. Run it back.
Is it Guara dancing?
Yeah.
On the screen, on the scene, on the screen. Starting again, but I got a feeling. Naturally, that's what's all they overgain. Naturally, that's what's all they overgain. Wing, all in the young will be live on fire. The name will never rap.
Is everyone in that circle rapping?
I don't know, cause it's a different person now.
Yeah. Bro, everyone's just spazzing, bro.
Everyone is just spazzing, bro.
Damn, Victorious, let's go.
Damn.
Oh, please let us know how many there are, cause damn, this is like the 4th, 5th person,
bro.
That's.
It's
a different person.
Step by step, when my lips to the last one.
Her tone was fire.
Did you see the
tornado?
Hurricane.
Run it back.
You know what? I'll definitely give it to Koreans. It's like everyone's talented.
Yeah, everyone is talented. Like, how many bands are
and
there?
I feel like every single K-pop band, they live by their name. You can tell their identity through their music.
Yeah,
and in this day and age, we don't really have that much of bands.
Yeah.
But Korea is really doing the most with bands at the moment.
Yeah.
It's
doing
so
the
much,
most.
and it's a number of people in one band,
Bro.
and none of them are actually talented.
Bro.
Imagine
the
if
solo
they had to be
artists.
solo. Now imagine if they had to be solo. Damn, Korea is doing the most.
And really talented when it comes to
Damn.
music. You know, we give
Okay,
to Brazil.
let's not say Korea. Let's say Asians.
Asians.
I really
You know, we give Brazil, yeah, they good at soccer. Korea,
Bro.
come to music.
Damn.
Fashion. Damn.
I stop when we move to the last one. Taking over the sound, taking over the rock. 떨어져 봐, let's go. 바뀌는 너의 표정, 아무리 너는 너. 그런 소리 너무.
That vocal.
It's really like they really know how to play with their voices.
Damn.
바뀌는 너의 표정, 아무리 너는 너.
It's giving me the shooting star.
Bro. And then Beckham. Yo.
Shooting star.
Damn. That was creative.
바뀌는 너의 표정, 아무리 너는 너. 그런 소리 너무. Keep believing in 너의 부셔버린 front door. 아무 때나 엉터리로 만들어버리고 청소. 술려나가는 너는 dusty. My team.
Damn, girl.
Relax.
Our ears not
going
too
crazy.
fast for
Bro,
that.
it's crazy.
Our ears
Bro,
can't
she
catch
went
all
Busta
that.
Rhyme on that one.
We've been missing out.
Bro.
Wow, this is fire.
Thank
This is a
you
masterpiece.
to
Yo,
whoever
Thank you for the
requested.
plug,
Thank you so
whoever.
much. Thank you so much.
아무 때나 엉터리로 만들어버리고 청소. 술려나가는 너는 dusty. My team go big, you tiny. We spinning and spinning on what? Know my location, we're sliding. Who's gonna make it stop? Boy, try me. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. How about the ride? It's kind of going to the 동물은 니가.
What did I say? These girls are just running on the beat. These people are just running on the beat.
Fire.
No, man.
Fire.
No.
Hurricane. Can
Bro.
you hear the name? Bad. No,
Yo.
that's the name of the song.
Bro. Bad villain.
These girls are villains. No heroes around here.
Bro, there's no chill
villains,
pill in this
bro.
song. Everyone is just running on that beat. Everyone
I
is
feel like this is my favorite part. And
Yo. Bro, run it
Look
back,
at the
bro.
cars.
Run it back.
She's spazzing, they're drifting
Bro.
around her.
Damn.
From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. How about the ride? It's kind of going to the 동물은 니가 탑을 완리 now. Winning is my only finale. You're telling it.
Winning is my only finale.
Damn, bro.
No, I love that. I love that. I'm not even exaggerating, bro.
How about the ride? It's kind of going to the 동물은 니가 탑을 완리 now. Winning is my only finale. You're telling it.
Imagine this girl with Eminem on one song.
Yeah.
Imagine her with Eminem
Bro.
on one song spazzing.
Imagine her with Eminem and Busta Rhymes.
Yeah.
Imagine her with Eminem, Busta Rhymes, and Hopsy. Just think of someone to add.
No, you can still add NF.
Bro.
It's gonna be fire.
Fire.
Damn.
You can add token.
Bro. Bro, nah. The list goes on. Damn.
Goes on.
Damn.
What?
Damn.
it's kind of going to the 동물은 니가 탑을 완리 now. Winning is my only finale. You're telling it. 노릇실이 이상한 나라로 보내버려.
Guys, please let me know what's her name.
Who
I want to
are
know
you?
specifically what's her name.
Are you?
Who is she?
She went hard.
She's a queen.
Please let me know what's her name. I want to know who.
이건 나도 finale. Nobody did it like we do before. 다른 나라로 보내버리고 나도 finale. Nobody did it like we do before. We'll keep you coming back to us. They wanna know how we'll be running up the game for sure. I'm the
Back with that beat. The way it just dropped back in.
We gotta restart it. I love the
Bro, I'd
tornado.
love to have that beat on my ringtone.
Bro.
Damn.
wanna know how we'll be running up the game for sure. On the screen, on the scene, on the scream. 다른 느낌, I got a feeling. Naturally, that's what's all day every day. Naturally, that's what's all
Why is
The
that
hurricane.
bro? Flash driving that car, what?
Bro.
It's just flashed in front of our eyes like that. Beautiful. Let's go back.
that's what's all day every day. Naturally, that's what's all day every day.
That's talking tough.
Bad Villain.
Perfect.
Hurricane.
Villain.
This was
Bad Villain.
beautiful.
This was mastered.
This was
This
beautiful.
was mastered.
Damn. You know, XG is my favorite girl band,
Yeah.
right? But
Bad
Bad
Villain. Yo, Bad
Even
Villain.
though it wasn't
bro,
like English,
it's not
but
English,
it's
but damn,
fire.
it's now competing.
Bro.
Damn.
I mean, we can put these on the we can put them on the pedestal.
For sure.
Definitely,
This
For
was
sure.
They deserve to be out
For
there.
sure.
Up there.
What?
And guys, please let us know how long they've been around, cause wow, we've been missing out.
Damn,
We've
definitely
been missing out.
You I really love the way she's
Bro.
best.
Damn. My only
bro,
wish is that I could hear what you
understand what you're
said.
saying.
There was no way we were going to catch all those bars, even if we had to pause the video to read the bars. No way, it was too much.
No way.
It was too much, guys. We were just enjoying the vibe and how the flow was going. Damn, these girls are crazy. And it feels like all of them are rapped.
Bro,
All
all
of
of
them
them rap. No one sang there,
Bruh,
bro.
as I said, everyone is just running on the beat. No one paused. No one took a
What I'm saying is that
everyone was rapping.
all of them, they
All
were
of
like
them
no
were-
dancers.
yeah, no.
All of them
They
were
were just
singing
singing.
rappers.
I mean, everyone.
How many
They
artists
kept
would-
on changing every
Bro.
minute.
There were like what 7 or 8 of them.
Damn.
Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much to whoever requested it. Truly appreciate it. I really
sure.
love this. I'll definitely go over it again and vibe
Analyze
to
the
it.
beat, the rap.
Definitely going my favorite.
Definitely. But anyway, guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to like,
Comment,
share,
subscribe,
and do all
and don't
that
forget
good
to turn
stuff.
your notification notified every time we jump.
Yes, sir.
You
Catch us
don't
on
wanna
the
miss
next
out.
one.
When we,
But we're definitely jumping on more of their tracks.
Obviously.
Definitely. But anyway, catch us on the next
because
one.
we are out of here. Do say, sir.
Yes, sir.